Homeowners are ditching their traditional keys and upgrading to residential smart locks faster than ever. Are you the locksmith they are calling to handle the installation? If not, you are missing out on a massive, highly profitable revenue stream. Here are 3 reasons to use videos. Our custom residential smart lock videos will get your phone ringing. Number 1. Zero local competition on YouTube, meaning you easily rank on the first page. Number 2. Total social media takeover. Use these videos on all of your social media accounts to build instant authority as the local smart security expert. Number 3. Dominate AI and voice search as customers ask their smart devices for local smart lock installers. Go to smartlockvideos.com to purchase your custom-branded residential smart lock videos today. We even offer a $35 optional add-on to optimize and upload them directly to your YouTube channel.